Here's all of the important Claude Code features in order of complexity. The simplest is the claude.md file, which is basically just a file that lives in your project that tells Claude Code all of the rules of how to work in that project, and it's loaded into context at the beginning of every new session. Next is custom slash commands, and these are just markdown files that contain text that specifies a specific workflow that you want Claude Code to take. These live in markdown files in the commands folder in your .claude folder of your project. Next is Claude Code skills, and these are basically just a more complicated version of custom slash commands, as they are a folder that can contain as many different text documents or other types of documents as you want, as well as APIs or scripts that Claude Code can use as tools. Next up, we have MCPs, which are basically just the USB-C adapter for Claude Code to connect to any other external service or tool that you want. You need to configure these in the settings.json file of your project folder, which allows Claude Code to interface with things like Notion or your Google Calendar. Next up are custom subagents, which are defined in the agents folder in your .claude folder of your project. And these are basically a separate context window from your main agent that has a specific instruction file that defines how that subagent will behave and what type of tasks fall under its purview. Finally, we have Claude Code hooks, which is essentially just a command that can be executed at different points in your workflow with Claude Code. So it can be triggered by you submitting a prompt to Claude Code, it can be triggered by Claude Code writing to a file, and it can be triggered by Claude Code stopping and coming back to ask for a response from you. Some common use cases for hooks are having a code formatter that formats any code that Claude Code writes to a file. If you want comprehensive video guides from zero to hero on how all of these different Claude Code features work, they are all available in my school community. We would love to see you there. Link in bio.